Yo, right, today I've got a package that should have, Dragon Shield card sleeves for our Bakugan cards, and that should be a bundle of Bakugan, so I'll take this fisheye lens off and it'll be a lot clearer once I've got this out of the way, but okay. Oh, one of them popped open. Yeah, I'll open this one as well. Found a good deal on these. Here's the card, the bundle. Very nice. Some crimson matte Dragon Shield sleeves. I might get to them later. Okay. Let's get to... Oh, Jesus, that's a lot. Right, 1 second. We're back and I have a card. And in fact, I'm going to take this off. Much better. Right. Let's get into it. Okay. So, first off, we have a battle gear. Very nice, never had one before of this type. Interesting. And I want to say it's not rock hammer or something, but something along those lines. And then one that looks like Scorpion. I can't remember who used this, but I think it's Gundalian Invaders. And then another Aqueous Translucent Percival. I've got a lot of these now. I've got like 4. 1 second. Okay, I just tried to kind of remove some of the glare from this. We have a trap. So far, I've only had these 2, so the rest are new to me. This is new. I don't know what it's called. Very nice. This is also new to me. I have a feeling that head's meant to come out, but doesn't look like it's wanting to, which is alright. I don't know what that's called because again it's new. This is something called oh Jesus, okay. Yeah, this is something core, and I can't remember the exact name. But I've never had one of these, so that's also nice. Ooh, Darkest Line Halt. They are quite expensive. And another one that I don't know what it is. Looks interesting, probably Gundalian Invaders. Looking at the design. There's a lot of bronze in here, like gold and black ones. Falconeer, or no, Ravenoid. And Baku bronze, or bronze, I'll say bronze attack. Bronze attack Wilder. Bronze attack Reyes Diablo. Bronze attack original Dragonoid. Does this close? It does. I've got one, but it doesn't close, so that's good. Bronze attack Hammer Gorum. Oh, I expected his arms to be gold. That's cool. And then Helios Primo Vulcan with a bit of a dodgy magnet. Oh, this is from I think Gundalian Invader or something along those lines. It's don't know the name of it, but I recognise him. And another one that was Subterra. This is Helios. And a Ventus Helix Dragonoid. Very nice. Now this I was excited for. They are so bright, I wasn't expecting it to be this bright. It looks so much brighter in person. I've always been told that, and they are amazing. tiny magnet. This one, I don't know why, but Bakugan Neon Abyss Omega in Ventus. Damn, that's definitely going to be a keeper. A part from Maxus Helios. A Baku Pearl. Pyrus Hyper Dragonoid. Very nice. A Ventus Phosphorus. Very nice, seems to be working. Okay, first case done. Let's go on to the next one, which I believe, yeah, isn't as full, but we've still got some in here. Ooh, Ventus Baku, like Dirty Ingram. Not Master Ingram, I think it's just Ingram, yeah. What the hell is that? Bit of a funky design. I have never seen this in my life. Didn't know it existed until now. Let's try and get it closed up. I quite like that. Interesting. What looks like a mortar. That's a battle gear. Interesting. Let's put him on someone. If I can. Oh, I don't think that is there. Have I got any? Yes, this is one. But again, the head seems to be stuck. Oh well, I'll try it. There we go, that's alright. Looks a bit silly, but well, that's nice. I like that one a lot. I'm sorry that I don't know most of the names. This is all new stuff. I'm still learning. I've not even got through the first Gundalian Invaders yet, so this is all new. Something about that one feels good quality. It looks good as well, but this one feels very nice. Next we have one of these. I had one of these and I sold it, and it actually had one of these top bits missing, so good that I've got one again. A Maxus Helios Neo Dragger. And another part from Maxus Helios. Looks like a... Oh! Okay, we'll get to that. Another leg, and... No, that was an arm, sorry, this is a leg. It looks like that was the only Maxus Helios parts. They hadn't included anything like anything else. Darkus Wilder. Baku Swap, Subterra, and Helios Naga. Don't know whether that was custom or no. I think it's definitely not custom. It's properly Pyro Dragonoid, Vortex Pyro, I think. Let's try winding it up. Yeah, kind of works. Helios. Ooh, Subterra Viper Helios. Very nice. I only have a Ventus dirty version, but to have another one, that's nice. I hope I'm putting all this in camera. Like it's all in frame, but this is one of my favourite traps. Oh, I don't think it works properly. Oh no, sorry. One of my favourite. I've got it in Pyrus, so that's awesome to have. And then we have a attribute wheel, not dual elfin, just a normal elfin, I think. 700G Subterra. Oh well, yeah, Subterra, but then it has the wheel. And this. Oh my god. I've always wanted a tremor. And this is such a cool design, I don't even know what it is. A Baku tremor. I was looking at the Draggers, I didn't know there was any others. Okay. That is mint. That is so cool, all of that. Oh, I'm keeping this. For sure. That is so good. spin the little wheel on top 3.5 times, I believe. And then this is Pyrus, and then you try it. It's so difficult on carpet, but that is awesome. I love it, it works perfectly as well. That is so good. Okay, so that's the 2 cases, and that's all of them there. Very nice little bundle I got for £51. Let's get to these shields, see what these are like. I can also grab a couple of cards just to show you what they look like. But I actually need to get more cards to be able to fill these up. I believe there's, oh yeah, there's 100 in here. Let's get this back on. Actually no, just tilt it up a bit like this. Okay, so they are unprotected. They are very nice. Right. They're a little bit bent, but obviously when you put a card in, it'll probably be better. Oh, that's on the bottom there. Right, let's get cards. Okay, so I get this fisheye lens on. I have my deck box here and a bunch of sleeve cards in the black, so we'll get a few of these out. We'll just get a couple here. Smoke armor and aqua splash thingy. These card sleeves weren't too expensive. I think they were £9.99 possibly, something along those lines. But I wanted some crimson ones because I think they look interesting, and I think Jet Kuso uses crimson, and I like the look of them. Or he uses black, I can't remember, but I've got both anyway. So. A bit of a big border at the top and bottom, but I think that looks very nice having them crimson. Slightly see-through, and it's not matte on the front, so you can see the cards properly. Okay, very nice. And then these are the sleeves that I had before. But yeah, very good lot, I would say. And obviously 2 cases that came with a Undalian Invaders one, and a normal one. I've got one of them already, and I've got one of them but only a blue and white see-through. So yeah, thank you for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I've got another lot on the way, so that'll be up soon.